Let me tell you something crazy. While most people are busy chasing hype coins, there's a cryptocurrency quietly being backed by companies like Google, IBM, and Boeing. Yeah, not influencers, not random developers, actual global corporations. And here's the scary part. Most people have no idea it even exists. It's called HBAR. Now, you might be thinking, if big companies are behind it, why isn't everyone talking about it? That's exactly what we're going to uncover today. Because by the end of this video, you'll understand what HBAR actually is, why big institutions are interested, and most importantly, whether it can actually make you money or not. Hey everyone, welcome back. And if you're new here, this channel, John Explains Finance, is all about breaking down money, investing, and real-world financial ideas in a simple and realistic way.
So if you enjoy content like this, make sure to subscribe. All right, let's get into it. So first, what exactly is HBAR? HBAR is the native cryptocurrency of Hedera Hashgraph. But here's where things get interesting. Hedera is not a traditional blockchain. Instead of blocks, it uses something called Hashgraph technology. Now don't worry about the technical stuff. Here's what matters. It's extremely fast, it's very cheap, and it's designed for real-world use, not just speculation. We're talking about thousands of transactions per second, with fees that are almost nothing. Now, let's talk about why HBAR is suddenly getting attention, especially in the US. There are three big reasons. Big company backing. Hedera isn't run by random people. It's governed by major companies like Google, IBM, and Boeing. That's a big deal, because in crypto, trust is rare. Real utility, not just hype. Most cryptocurrencies promise the future. HBAR is already being used for payments, supply chain tracking, digital identity, and NFTs. This is what serious investors look for. Real use, not just hype. Alternative to Ethereum. People are frustrated with Ethereum sometimes. High gas fees, slow transactions during congestion. So, naturally, they're searching for alternatives, and HBAR is showing up on that radar.
Now, imagine this. There's a guy in Texas. Not a crypto expert, just a normal investor. In 2022, he started researching undervalued crypto projects. He noticed something interesting. While everyone was buying hype coins, HBAR was quietly sitting at a low price. So instead of going all in, he did something smart. He invested $5,000 into HBAR. Not gambling, just calculated risk. Over time, HBAR grows because more companies start using Hedera, more developers build on it, demand increases. If HBAR does a 5x, that $5,000 becomes $25,000. If it does a 10x, now we're talking $50,000. But here's the reality. It doesn't always go up. If adoption slows down or hype dies, that same $5,000 could drop to $2,000 or less. That's crypto. High reward, but also high risk. So is HBAR actually worth investing in? Here's the honest answer. It has strong fundamentals, real-world backing, and scalable technology. But it's still crypto, which means volatility is high, nothing is guaranteed, and timing matters a lot. Smart investors don't just ask, can this go up? They ask, what's the downside? How much am I willing to risk? At the end of the day, HBAR is one of those projects that's flying under the radar, but not invisible. The real question is, will it become a major player in the future, or just another almost made it crypto story? Only time will tell. But now, you're not one of the people who has no idea what it is. If you found this helpful, hit like
and subscribe to John Explains Finance. Because here, we don't follow hype. We understand money.